Pacific Tech NGO introduced the BIOME8 Biodiversity Meeting. The thematic scope of BIOME8 are as follows. ACEM's BIOME8 July 31st to August 2nd, 2024. This is a program dissemination activity exclusive for beneficiaries, fishers, women, students, extension workers, LGU officials involved in mangroves/wetlands restoration and blue food production or livelihoods, collaborators of CatSU from BU, Aklan State U, DOST PNRI and Wetlands Management Philippines Group. BIOME8 Scope 1. Coastal Oceanography and Climate Change integrates citizen science for developing digital data on coastal landforms, physical oceanography, hydrodynamics and isotopes in mangroves and other coastal wetlands. 2. Coastal Biology, Marine, Terrestrial and Freshwater Biodiversity incorporates citizen science for establishing scientific knowledge on the island-wide population dynamics of aquatic and terrestrial organisms, taxonomic listing of mangrove portunid crabs, mangrove crab fishery resources, trophic ecology of portunid crabs and functional morphology of inshore gobies and eleotrids in estuarine, linked rivers involving data gathering through community involvement. 3. Coastal Governance, governance on mangroves and beach forest biodiversity conservation in natural parks, existing mangrove parks in the Philippines, mangrove crab farming ecotourism in using local ecological knowledge and stakeholders' values proposition. 4. Ecosystem-based management, science-based and ecosystem-based information toolkits and modules for coastal resource management, CRM, ecosystem-based management, EBM, and fisheries resource management. 5. Marine social science, human dimension and philosophy, transdisciplinary extension research activities on marine social science in the areas of sociology, social psychology, philosophy, and social well-being for mangrove crab sustainability and establishing marine protected areas and nature reserves. 6. Crab aquaculture and blue transformation, extension modules and toolkits on mangrove crab aquaculture, mangrove crab biology and marine conservation biodiversity webinars and mangrove tree planting and rehabilitation experience in the Philippines. 7. Coastal livelihoods, integrated mangrove aquaculture system, circular and blue economy, capabilities of local coastal dwellers or stakeholders in the mangrove crab fishery industry in the Philippines and diversified coastal livelihoods. 8. Stakeholder engagement and Mangrove Biodiversity Conservation Center, community or citizen science center for mangrove and beach forest conservation and aquaculture with barangay-based mangrove nursery hubs. 9. Biodiversity, arts, education and communication, adopts community science to address climate change adaptation, mitigation and climate resiliency for fisheries and mangroves, developing citizen science, popularizing mangrove science, ocean sciences, and climate science. 10. Coastal policy, biodiversity statutes and conservation ordinances and mangrove crab sustainability laws, formulates frameworks for policy development for coastal resources towards crab sustainability. Thank you.